Hey everyone, Ian here, Mannerscheid Media. Shocking, crazy good news for anybody looking for a Hemi Cuda. This one's for sale. I did a video on this last summer. It's made its rounds to McCacken in Chicago. It's done World of Wheels in Calgary and did the Dragons Car Show in Saskatoon, and it cleaned up in all three. It's such a beautiful car, done to the utmost, highest standards. And the story on this car and the history on this car is ridiculous. It had 17 owners with the current owner now, so 16 previous owners, and all of it's documented. There's pictures, there's all kinds of, there's a warranty card with the white slip bill of sale. Yeah, it's unreal. So if you are in the market for a Hemi Cuda, this is the one. Tuxedo black or TX9 with white interior, automatic on the column. Again, we're looking blue chip investment anytime Hemi Cuda word is used. So I will attach Brad's contact information if you're interested in a show-stopping 1970 Hemi Cuda. This is the one for you. So anyway, yeah, I'm not going to get too far into it. You can watch the other video or just sit back and watch these last pictures roll through. So anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.